Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locating the number you want to block. This saves time and prevents mistakes. Once you find it in the call log or contacts, press the menu key or long press the entry to reveal options. Make sure to choose the option labeled Block, Reject, or Add to Blacklist. Labels vary by device. If prompted, confirm the action when the phone asks. You're doing this to stop future calls and messages from that number, so double-check the digits before confirming. Once you tap Block or Reject, the phone will often ask whether to block calls, messages, or both. Pick both if you want complete silence. You might also be offered to add the number to a specific block list. Choose the primary list so system filters apply. After confirming, navigate to Settings, Call Settings, Rejected Numbers, or similar, to verify the entry is present. This ensures the device will screen incoming traffic. If done correctly, the phone stops ringing from that number. To finish, test the block by having the caller dial you. You should see the call blocked or sent to voicemail. If calls still get through, reboot the phone and recheck the blocked list to ensure the number is formatted exactly as stored. Country code differences matter. If that fails, contact your carrier or use a reputable call blocking app that intercepts at the network level. A common troubleshooting tip: remove and re-add the number with the full international format to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.